Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the date conversion in Azure Data Factory, okay, using the expression builder. So this is my input format. So currently I'm using the data flows. So how to achieve that I will show you going forward. Okay, first of all I will explain the task. This is my input format, so this is my order date. Okay, you can give the any format. Okay, you can give the any format, but the final outcome should be like this. Okay, so first of all I will show my table. So this is my data. So in this my data, the user has updated the order date in this different formats. Okay, but the client asked the required format. This is the required format the client has asked. So how to achieve this? Okay, using the flows. So for you I will create a one new source. So click on this add source so that you can create the source. Okay, give it a proper name, source date conversion. Okay, and select the data set. Already I have created one data set for this operation, this task. Okay, sales data data set, sales data. Okay, so I will show where it have saved. So this is my container. In this container you can see text xlxs folder. So I have created one, I have uploaded one file. Okay, xlxs file. So I have consumed here. Okay, so after that you have to add the derived column. So in this derived column we have to perform the operations. So in this derived column, so what is the derived column? Everybody know, if you want to add an extra column in the destination target location, so this derived column will helpful. Okay, this flow is will very helpful. Okay, this grouping operation. Okay, later, so what new table, okay, new column you are going to add into the new table on the destination target location. So you have to add here. Okay, so I will give it name as the modified date. Okay, so the final, this is the expression builder. So here we have to perform the operations. Okay, so this is a Colese operation. So I will explain. So what is a Colese operation, everything. So first of all we have to write the expression like that, today of order date. Okay, to date. So what is the use of this expression? So to date of order date, month, date, year. So this will give you the current date, the order date. Okay, this expression, okay, this expression will give you this date. So it means it will tell you this format date will be exist in your current table. So and the expression will check the date from the existing table. Okay, this format will match with this order date. So now it's not null. Okay, so now the Colese will return this date format. So how it will format, how it will return, I will show you. The Colese will return the not null values. For example, the Colese of null comma 30. So here the Colese will return the 30 value. Okay, and the Colese of 30 because here there is no not null value. Okay, so it will return the first value. So like that, if it's null, okay, sorry, if it's null, it doesn't return any value. The Colese will doesn't return any value, but if it's not null, it will return this date. Okay, and it will format in this. Okay, it will convert into the required format. Okay, so copy this, paste over here. So what is the save? So what happened? Column could not find. What happened? Today date. Order date. Okay, sometimes it doesn't identify, but delete and again add, no problem. Order date. and save and finish. Now check the data preview. So what happened? Transformation state is invalid. Again it's getting error. What happened? Okay, now we will check the data preview. Yeah, we will check where is our order date. Yeah, the order date, the Colossi will identify this column, okay, this row, and it convert into our required format. Where is our required? You can see our required format. Okay, I hope you got it. And second thing, yeah, date, sorry, month, date, year. Okay, it will identify the Colossi, and it's not null because it's existed. So again it's convert into the our required format. Okay, like this date conversion will be happen. Okay, thank you so much guys.